Before I turned 40, I got myself two Rolexes. Son, you're playing in the house of watches. I'm Yasho Sabu. I own Ethos. Nah, I didn't get a Hulk, but I got the Sub. The story behind this is this was made famous by Elvis. I did a great thing by the right thing by buying the Snoopy and the retro together. So I always liked panorama. I don't like wearing too bulky a watch. And one fine day on my birthday, वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने गिफ्ट करी. Later on, I started, moving towards micro brands. I cannot read time on this, but I wear this watch very often. First watch that I really got attracted to was my dad's Rado. When I went to class 6th, my dad gifted me a Timex.
Nice.
And it was a Mickey Mouse watch. सबसे पहली घड़ी मैंने खरीदी थी अपने पैसों से.
हाँ.
वो थी क्लास 10th में Casio Calculator watch.
Nice. And when was the first कि यार महंगी घड़ी?
मैं दुबई मॉल में चल रहा था और वहाँ पे मेरे को टैग हॉगर का स्टोर दिखा.
So which tag did you buy?
I bought the Grand Carrera. It is in absolutely no workable condition, but I still have it.
Nice.
The whole story, power of manifestation, I'll tell you. I was playing a show in Chandigarh. मैं ऐसे करके ना घड़ी पहनी थी और ऐसे बैठा हुआ. I was talking to this old gentleman जिनकी पार्टी थी. And he goes, hey, that's very nice Bell & Ross. And I was like, yeah, Bell & Ross?
कौन पहचान रहा है?
कौन पहचानता है Bell & Ross यार? And because I was an aviator, मेरे को Bell & Ross हमेशा अच्छी लगती थी.
Obviously.
I said, I've never met anyone who knows Bell & Ross. कहते, son, you're playing in the house of watches. I'm Yasho Sabu. I own Ethos. I was like, wow. And right after the show, Mr. Sabu comes and he gives me this Zeppelin. Brilliant looking dress watch.
Again, connected to aviation.
And beautiful watch. The next day, I get a call from Thanos.
Oh, story is getting better.
Saying ki, were you serious about the Batman? I said, Hanji, yaar, I was very serious about the Batman. He's like, okay, here's Sparsh's number. Please have a word. Your Batman's waiting. Early December, I picked myself the Batman. I always liked the Batman more than the Pepsi. Today, I like the Pepsi more. And December end, I was in Dubai. I had gone for a concert. I met this promoter. He was also a watch guy. And I said, yaar, I need a Hulk. The next day, on the 31st of December, he calls me up and he's like, leke aao.
Yeah.
No, I didn't get a Hulk, but I got the Sub. It's a one watch collection. आपको सब आप किसी के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. This is one of my favorite watches. It's a two-tone, Datejust, Wimbledon. I absolutely love it.
That's a beautiful watch. I'm a fan of जो all steel, fluted, Jubilee, blue dial, Datejust. मेरे को वो जैसे ये है ना सब वैसे वो भी है. कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, किसी भी चीज के साथ पहन सकते हो. But if you want something which is a little more blingy, this is beautiful.
I call it my concert watch. ये स्टेज पे लाइट चमकती है ना.
हाँ.
There are a lot of watches here which were very goal oriented. जैसे for example ये Hamilton है.
हाँ.
This is a Hamilton Ventura. Not a very expensive watch, but a very cool watch. The story behind this is this was made famous by Elvis.
Elvis used to wear this.
Elvis used to wear the Hamilton Ventura. And वो उनका पतला डायल था एक.
अच्छा.
And this was the next upgrade. So, being a musician, being an Elvis fan, it just made sense.
It made sense.
And it was a great watch. I picked it up from London. ये इनकी नई वाली collection आई थी Seamaster की Aquaterra की.
हाँ.
And they had released, I think, 6 colors or 5 colors. So this is called the terracotta. फिर इसके साथ एक saffron था, एक champagne dial था, एक sky blue dial था. I only wanted this terracotta.
इसके लिए वेट करना पड़ा था या मिल गई थी आसानी से?
ये मैंने कपूर से खरीदी थी. And obviously I had bought Constellation for my dad. I had bought a Constellation for my girlfriend. I had a buying history. मैंने बोला मेरे को नहीं पता. ये जैसे ही आएगी आप मुझे फोन करो. And I love Love this watch. Actually, I love all my watches. That is very difficult to rate. This is my favorite Omega ever. This is the
Snoopy.
Snoopy. We all know his back is better than the front. And this is like a flex piece here. I mean, not everyone has it.
You know, I would love to wear this watch ulta on my wrist.
या ये और रेजरवॉयर मैंने दोनों एक ही दिन में खरीदी थी. मेरे को एक रेट्रो गेट चाहिए थी हमेशा से. जेवी जेंटा मिल नहीं रही थी और जो मिल भी रही थी वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव थी. एंड इट हैज़ दैट इंडियन कनेक्शन ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स पॉपाई प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. बट देन I think I did a great thing the right thing by buying the Snoopy and the retro together. So there was no way I was gonna pass off on the Snoopy. मेरे को मूवमेंट्स के बारे में वैसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें पता नहीं होती. मैं I'm a dial guy. I prefer the 36.
So you now prefer smaller size?
Smaller dials. Like if you see this also, this is the puppet.
Yeah, that is.
For 36. I think the Omega is a 40.
The Panera also looks like a 40.
So this is the Due, the Luminor. I always liked Panera, but they were making. मतलब मेरे को लगता था वो घंटे घर बना रहे हैं. It's like they're making huge watches.
Because वो Navy Seals के लिए थे ना.
I don't like wearing too bulky a watch. You know, so जब ये Due उन्होंने लॉन्च करी, I was first in line to pick this up.
सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है Panera कि they have stuck to their original designs. I love that.
So I feel Panera and Cartier both.
Cartier as well.
I really like the fact that Cartier stuck to the designs. I really like the fact that Rolex has stuck to its design.
Yeah. Beautiful. So now you're migrating to smaller sizes. मैंने notice किया है, most collectors eventually go towards smaller sizes.
The most close to my heart watch here is this.
क्या इसकी क्या कहानी?
The Reverso. ये मेरे को मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने गिफ्ट करी थी. She gifted me at a very important time in my life. I wanted to buy a Reverso for the longest time. And one fine day on my birthday, I see this box as a surprise.
Yeah.
I think the classiest watch, one of the best watchmakers in the world is Roger Lecoultre.
For sure.
These guys, they know how to make their watches. The style is unbelievable. The fact that it's actually a sports watch, but it goes so well with a tuxedo. So whenever I'm traveling, like internationally for shows, so I get like a GMT here, and I have my Delhi ka time here. So yeah, and then later on I started, moving towards micro brands. जैसे ये फरलान मारी है. अगर पटेक को किसी ने प्रॉपर ओमाज दी है ना, वो फरलान मारी ने दी है. Then you have my daily beater, which is like the Tudor Black Bay. इसको तो तुम वॉर में लेके चल, इसके ऊपर टैंक चढ़ जाएगा, ये इसको कुछ नहीं होगा यार.
Are there watches that don't get any wrist time?
I think the one watch that doesn't get a lot of wrist time is the breakfast watch.
This is so much fun.
It's just a fun watch, man. It's a great conversation starter. Fun watch. It's like a plate जिसके ऊपर breakfast बना हुआ है.
And आप decide कैसे करते हो कि भैया आज मैंने ये घड़ी पहननी है?
जहाँ मन करता है. जैसे this is a Lucky Harvey. It's again a micro brand from China. I cannot read time on this, but I wear this watch very often. It's a gorgeous looking dial, and the fun part is that every hour the Dragon spits out a fireball.
It does?
Yeah, चाहिए.
But आपको ऐसा नहीं होता कि यार अभी 36 mm से 40-41 पे जाना?
So there are certain watches I don't wear which are big. I like Jacob & Co, but I'll never wear it because it's too big. The only big watch that I have now is the Zenith B5. It looks big on my wrist, but it's still doable. It's like cool.
Which is your favorite like concert watch?
जैसे this I wear a lot for concerts because of the strap. I wear Rolexes a lot.
क्या लगता है आपको अब चाइना से घड़ियों की ब्रांड्स निकल के आएंगी?
I am not too much into movements. I don't. I mean, obviously जो connoisseurs होते हैं, for them Swiss is the grail. That's the be all and end all. But for me, I'm a dial guy. This is a Chinese brand. It's called Suges. Fully loomed, moon phase, automatic. But if you just look at the watch,
It's beautiful.
ये 20,000 रुपए की घड़ी है और ये मैं इतनी पहनता हूँ because of just the way it looks. So a lot of these watches are bought at certain times wherein I had a personal goal कि मेरे को अपने काम में ये अचीव करना है. कौन से पीरियड पे मैंने खरीदी थी. जैसे अगर Bell & Ross है because I'm an aviator, former aviator. I wanted a Bell & Ross कि मेरे को this reminds me of my flying days. This reminds me that you know I have inspirations and I have people I look up to. I have legends I look up to. This reminds me of where I've come. उस टाइम पे मैं गैस अफोर्ड कर सकता था. मेरे लिए गैस वाज अ लग्जरी ब्रांड.
राइट.
मेरे पास फॉसिल की भी घड़ी है.
दिस इज योर जर्नी.
या इट्स गिवन मी अ पर्सपेक्टिव.
ऐसी कोई 3 घड़ियां हैं जो नियर फ्यूचर में
तो एक
पार्ट ऑफ द हंट.
बिल्कुल एक वैशनॉन की 1921 है.
हाँ, आपने बताया मेरे को.
That's my favorite watch. The Daytona Panda. Then I love the APs, the 1159.
It is a beautiful watch, right? I don't know why people diss it. It's such a nice looking watch.
What a watch! I absolutely love it. One of my friends has the gold one
Yeah.
with a white strap. It's
I have someone who's looking to sell his code 1159. We'll meet soon with
really
new watches.
impressed with this new podcast, and I hope you guys kick it. Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you.